Hey Millionaire Minders, in this video I'm going to show you 4 awesome apps that you can use and that you can download today and start making money in just a few minutes. And all of these apps are both compatible for iOS and Android users, so any of you that are watching this video can participate in these websites and earn good money online. But if you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below. I upload daily content on websites like this, applications, business models that you can use to really make a good income and money online for yourself. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And the first platform that I want to show you guys, not a lot of people actually know about. And this is a great opportunity for you to earn money online through sharing your opinions or ideas online. And what Google has done is they've created a website that gives you rewards for basically giving your own opinions, your ideas, or your reviews on specific products and services. And you can go to the website surveys.google.com and you can read a little bit about it. So how it works is you can complete short surveys for Google, and wherever you are, you can be on your phone, you just need an internet connection. You can be in line at a shop. You can get rewarded with Google Play points or with PayPal credit. So you can get paid straight to your PayPal account, or you can get paid with Google Play points. If you want to buy an app on the App Store, if you want to use that to withdraw to PayPal, you can do that as well. And topics include everything from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys, and they will notify you when a survey is waiting and is available for you to do and essentially get paid for. And this application is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store, so anybody can get involved with surveys.google.com. and as I say, it pays pretty well. Not a lot of people know about it, so it's a great opportunity to get involved with surveys.google.com before it comes really overcrowded and that a lot of people participate, or before a lot of people participate in this program. So how this works is a company will pay surveys.google.com, and what Google will do is they will then put up these surveys for you to test, and what they do is they then pay you as a user to read and answer these surveys so that Google can improve these products and services for this business. And this is how Google makes money to pay you when you review these surveys. And you earn anywhere between $1 to $2 for completing a survey with surveys.google.com. And I mean, that's decent money. $1 to $2 for completing a 5 to 10 minute survey. That's money that can go to your PayPal account. That is money you can use to purchase a premium app on the App Store. It can be used to purchase anything, diamonds in Clash of Clans or whatever game it may be. You can use it really to buy anything. Same on the Apple App Store as well, or as I say, straight to your PayPal account. And this is probably one of the most simple ones for you to make money online, because obviously Google is one of the most trusted companies in the world, and all you do is sharing your opinions and ideas online. And the second website that I have for you is called folk.com, and this is actually an awesome website to make money online, and not a lot of people know about this website. And how it works is you basically take some time to upload a video or a photo like you would to Instagram or Facebook to this website, and you can get paid for that. And how this works specifically is when a brand or an agency or anyone that really comes to this website, who comes have a look on this website for photos, and they find that your photo is good, they like your photo, they will basically make a purchase or an offer on your photo or video to Fope, and you will get a profit of 50-50 with Fope.com. And you can see on this illustration on the screen, there's a picture of a child and a dog. So maybe a animal or a pet society or business came to this website, they wanted some photos, they saw this photo, and if you can look carefully, this specific photo was purchased for $100. So that means whoever uploaded this photo to the platform got paid $50 for just a photo of a kid and a dog. And it's a pretty simple method. And I mean, you submit videos and pictures often to social media platforms, why not upload it here too? And it's an easy way to really earn a little bit of extra money doing your hobby of uploading photos to social media. And obviously your photos on this platform need to be pretty good in order to get accepted or bought by these brands or businesses that are visiting this website the whole time. So you definitely make use of a Photoshop tutorial where you can really improve the quality of your photos. And I mean, does not have to be professional photos with a DSLR. This can be photos taken or snapshots taken with your phone that you can upload, and you can really get good money through brands purchasing your photos online. So just search a basic editing, improve your photos in Photoshop or any sort of free program that you can use to really improve the quality of your photos to increase the chances of you earning on this website. And this application is available on both the App Store and Google Play Store, and all of the apps that I'm going to show you in this video are for both the App Store and Google Play Store, so it suits everybody. And the third website that I want to show you is also hardly known to a lot of people. It is a very similar website to that of Userlytics, where you basically test applications or or websites online, and you will get paid to test these websites. But Testio is hardly well known as that of Userlytics and one of those other popular websites, so this one definitely pays quite a bit more. And how this works is you will basically get paid $50 straight to your PayPal account for every issue that you find on a website or an application. So for example, if you've been asked to review an app and there's maybe a picture covering some text on this application, you can basically submit this error to this website and you will get paid $50 for just basically identifying this image covering this text. I mean, that's literally maybe 5-10 minutes of work that you're getting paid $50 for. And you can work from home, wherever you are. You just need a mobile device or a laptop with an internet connection, and you can work whenever you want as well. And you can also be the first to test some of the latest apps that are coming out. So who knows, maybe you end up testing the next mobile Fortnite. And I mean, it takes 5 minutes to register, and you can start your first test as soon as you register. You can get registered instantly on this website, and you can start straight away and receive your first payout. And this platform pays via PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, or direct bank transfer. So this really suits a lot of people. If I know most websites only really pay via PayPal, but this website pays via many other ways, so anybody can get paid on this website. And the devices that you need, you just need a desktop computer or a mobile device to get started with testing these, because obviously you need a mobile device to test the applications. And also because this website is so new, that means a lot of tests, a lot of reviews on apps will constantly be available for you, so your earning opportunity on a website like this is much higher than that of a website like userlytics.com. So this is definitely worth a have a look at, and let me know what you think of this website. And the fourth website that I have for you guys is an awesome website or application that you can use to get paid to be a field agent by simply using your iPhone or Android device. So this application is both available on Android and Apple, so anybody can use this application to get paid. So how it works is you will download the field agent app via the iTunes Store or the Google Play Store. You can complete the sign up process, and once you access the app for the first time, you will just fill in your profile information, and once you're ready to get going with this app, you'll see a Google Maps or Maps will pop up on the application. And how it will work is you will select the Find Jobs section from the main navigation window, and on the jobs list you'll see they'll have different maps. You can see exclamation marks on the maps, and these are jobs for you to complete within your local town or your area. And basically you have 2 hours to complete these jobs. It may take you 10-20 minutes. They may ask you to take a picture of a certain product. If you go grocery shopping, it could be any job available. It could consist of anything, and once you complete the job within 2 hours, you get paid between $2 and $12 for this job. So I mean, if you take up 10, 20, 30 minutes of your day just to go and fulfill these jobs, you will earn some really good money. I mean, you could earn up to $30, $40 an hour. And this website basically just wants to see how brands are being displayed, how products are being displayed, and to improve the overall brand of the businesses coming to this website. So it's a really good business model, the model of field agent, how it works. And I think it's definitely worth a have a look at, and let me know what you think of this application. And all of these applications are available worldwide, both on the Android and App Store. So anybody in any country can make use of these apps and earn directly straight to your PayPal account in any currency. So all of these apps are definitely worth a have a look at. Comment down below what your favorite one is, and the one that gets the most comments, I will do a separate video on just specializing on that specific app, and I can show you some awesome strategies how to use that specific app and how to maximize your earnings even more on that specific app. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe down below, as I upload daily content on how you can make money online like this, and also how to succeed online through different business models, drop servicing, drop shipping, making money online, direct PayPal, free PayPal cash, straight to your PayPal account. But guys, until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.